So in this video, we're going to talk about the reciprocating, or reciprocal of fractions. Some things my students have often said to me is they hate it when I write in print or cursive. They really hate the cursive because they just don't like reading cursive. So I occasionally will switch back and forth between cursive and freeform print. But let's talk about the reciprocal of a fraction. Remember that a over b is an element in the set of rational numbers, okay? Such that b cannot equal 0, okay? So this is a fraction. We got a over b, okay? Well, the reciprocal of a over b is b divided by a. Now the reciprocal property states that if I multiply a number by its reciprocal, you're always going to get 1. So for instance, what do I mean by this? Well, let's look at the example. I've got a over b. If I multiply it by the reciprocal, b over a, you're going to get a times b over b times a, which, if you think about it, you can rewrite it as a over b divided by a over b, which does equal 1. And the reason why is because the a will cancel with the a and the b will cancel with the b. So the reciprocal property is you're always going to get this value of 1, which is kind of nice. The reciprocal property states that if you multiply by the reciprocal property, you can cancel the values out and create this value of 1, which becomes very, very useful when you're trying to solve equations. So that's the reciprocal of fractions. Another way is remember that, any number can be rewritten as a fraction if you divide it by 1. So a divided by 1 is a. So another example, if you have a and you multiply by the reciprocal of a, which is 1 over a, you're going to get a divided by a, which equals 1. Which once again is nice because it allows us to find reciprocal properties and cancel out things, and anything times 1 is itself, which is another useful property. It's called the multiplicative identity property. Anything times 1 is always itself. So I hope this helps you in understanding another aspect of math.